first and foremost is the redundancy. A lot of my clients fit into that small, medium business demographic. So from a pricing perspective, I'm able to introduce, as we say in StorMagic, a budget-friendly solution that's going to give them enterprise-grade capabilities and redundancy. When you talk about redundancy, the benefit is really peace of mind. When you know that you have a layer of resiliency in your back office that is going to continue to operate irregardless of some arbitrary hardware failure that is unforeseen, knowing that they're not going to get that call at 1:30 in the morning to go to the office and reboot servers. The ease of use to really not have an overcomplicated dashboard or processes. They don't have to pay me a lot also as an MSP. So it's helpful in that sense as well. The one-to-many witness server for our larger clients really seemed to be a differentiator for them. It truly gave them the opportunity to have one witness that supplied multiple edge environments. It beats some of the competitors that you guys have, or even the more expensive competitors in a lot of instances. Most customers and most of our install staff have felt like it was get it and forget it or set it up and forget it. It really does work seamlessly behind the scenes. As far as installing from my engineers' perspectives, once they learned how to do it, it didn't take long for them to really absorb it. And your support from StorMagic was second to none. We got on phone calls within the hour in most situations where we had concerns about installing and got them resolved. We have both a lab as well as a production environment, and we run StorMagic on both of them. It's value add, right? It provides us redundancy just like it does our clients.